Hi, welcome to the Plant-Based Oscars, and presenting the best videos in the plant-based category for Jane and Ann's videos tonight. Presenting first is
Ann Esselstyn in fur.
Faux Fur, and Bedazzled Jane Esselstyn. So we're going to start with the category of the most viewed video. There's many up. You can look at the whole list if you want. But
there's 365.
There are 365 videos competing in all categories. But tonight, in the category of most viewed is greens. How we eat them six times a day. Congratulations, greens, 6 times a day. I know you work hard all day long, 6 times a day for that one. Well done, well done. Okay, the next category we'll be reading for is dinner. And the video earning the most views for dinner in the dinner category, believe it or not, is
Eat loaf.
Eat loaf. That just classic American, get it done, eat loaf. Throw those scraps together and bake it. Eat loaf. Well done, eat loaf. Woo-hoo! Woo-hoo! Okay, we're going to insert here the next, we're going to jump ahead to some snacks. The category of most viewed snacks is
plant-based snacks.
Plant-based snacks. Yes, that was, you know what, we knew the winner of that category, but still, hooray, hooray, way to go, plant-based snacks, way to push, way to push. Okay, our next video category is dressings. And what was really interesting, there was many up for this category, but the one that won was so uniting. It was
our favorite three.
Yeah, our 3 favorite plant-based dressings. So, you know what? Applause around for all of those. To work together in a video, that takes some harmonizing. Okay, we have another category that is not unique to us, but is certainly true to us, and that is of hummus, sauces and spread.
She wants my head up.
I want her head up because these things are. I'm like,
I'm snagging you.
My eyes keep. So just keep your head up, please. I know. So the best hummus and sauces and spread is hummus, a variety show, and how just harmonizing again. That the winner goes to the one that is truly putting on the best show, the variety show of hummuses. And we've continued to make more and more. We actually call them our hummi, the plural of hummus. Okay, keep that head up. Okay, and this was a really contested category because, in the category of breakfast, I gave it away. In the category of breakfast with the plant-based Esselstyn family in particular, oats are they think they're the front runner in an oatmeal bowl or a bowl of oats or raw oats, but the winner
was all oat waffles.
All oat waffles, which proves that people are willing to eat oats, but they want to have it in a waffle. So that was a heavy lift. I think that, woo, way to go, waffle. Okay.
How can we possibly have chosen any special ones? They're all so good, and my fur is falling.
Yeah. Okay. And then we have a category that we use kind of tongue-in-cheek, but we mean it. We don't know where else to put some of these videos, so we call them our Ann specials. Those of you who are true devotees of this channel, you'll understand that these are Ann specials, and you don't really know exactly how, when, or where to eat them, but Ann does, and she'll let you know that. And the winner of the Ann special is Fun times 10 with lemons. Ha! Way to go, Acid Queen mixed in with the Ann special. Boom! Brilliantly, well done with that one. This category was really contentious. Actually, there's a tie. A tie for the most viewed dessert in the category of desserts was badass banana bread and plant-based oatmeal raisin chocolate chip cookies.
Wow.
Well done. Well done. I mean, to everybody out there competing, to everybody out there trying to earn their stripes, their views, and sharing their power in the plant-based world.
Congratulations.
To all of them. All right. Thank you so much. It's been so fun to be here at the Oscars with you tonight. And have a healthy, safe way
and
forward.
very furry evening.
Faux fur. All right, thanks. Goodbye and congratulations.